Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain, is Blushmark.com legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end, as I will share the way to get your money back. Well, as we can see, the site sells different varieties of women clothing and accessory items. They have categories like dresses, tops, bottoms, jumpsuits, rompers, accessories, etc. They have also mentioned some of their sale, just in and new items as well. Here they have mentioned that they are having huge offers right now, and they have also mentioned some of their coupon codes. Here we can see that the website is designed very well. Here the images looks very much beautiful and trendy products as well. Here they have mentioned that they will provide free shipping on orders above $49. And there are some more categories. Here, as we can see, the prices of these products are quite cheap. They are very much reasonable. They are nowhere high end. Here they have mentioned their social media presence and newsletter. Here at the bottom page they have mentioned that they will take MasterCard, Visa, American Express as their mode of payment. Now let's check out their shipping policy. So here they have mentioned some of the details regarding the shipping policy, and they have mentioned that it can take 1 to 10 business days to deliver your order, and they have also categorized it as well. Now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS protocol, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. Coming to the website age, the website was registered on 27th October 2018, which means the site is 2 years old, which is a good thing as old websites always have credibility. Now let's check out there some of the information like about us. So here they have mentioned a descriptive and very good about us page. The image looks very much unique and the information given here is also quite good. It does not look to be copied, which is a good thing. The prices are a bit low, which means that it is a bit too good to be true. The payment methods are sufficient. Now if you talk about the contact us section, the site has mentioned their contact support, and here you can ask them, but they have not given any customer service email ID or address information like that. Now if we talk about the social media presence, the site is having very strong social media presence. They are giving you valid icons here, which is a good thing. Now let's check out their return policy. So here they have mentioned that they have 30 days of return policy, which is quite good. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the site. If we talk about the customer reviews, the site is having 3.7 ratings on Trustpilot, and customers are giving mixed reviews, but most of them are positive, which is a good thing. If we talk about the website content quality, the website content quality looks good. It does not look very bad, but it is neither too much unique, but it is good in general. Now guys, giving a final verdict, we recommend this site to you as it looks like a potentially legit website, as it has shown many good signs. And if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.